Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna do a quick what I eat in a day video. Right now it's about 10:30, so it's past breakfast time, before lunchtime, but I typically skip breakfast because I'm just not hungry, and if I eat in the morning I just feel tired and not very motivated, so I usually just eat later once I'm finally hungry. And right now I'm gonna make some banana ice cream, and my mom made me some gluten-free cookies, and she makes the best cookies. I don't know how. I'll try to make them the same, put the same ingredients in them, and they don't come out as good. She's just the best at cookies, so I'm gonna put a cookie here too into my ice cream, and that'll be breakfast. So I've got about 1.5 frozen bananas. And I don't know if that's enough, so I'm gonna add 1 fresh banana. And just to get started, I'll add a little bit of coconut milk into there. And I really like adding cinnamon. And I'm also gonna add in some maca powder for now. And then we're gonna blend it. And there is my ice cream for breakfast. So my ice cream is a little more smoothie bowl-like because I had to add a fresh banana because I didn't have enough frozen bananas, but it's still good. So I added one of those cookies and some flax meal to it. I try to put flax in everything just because it's natural at lowering blood pressure, and I kind of like have a genetic predisposition to high blood pressure, so but I can control it with diet, so like flax and hibiscus and all that fun stuff. So yeah, here's breakfast, and I'll see you guys at lunch. It's lunchtime now, and I'm making a spaghetti squash mac and cheese kind of. I cooked spaghetti squash a couple days ago, so I have leftovers, and I added some spinach and zucchini to it and just microwaved it for a little bit. Then I'm gonna add my cheese sauce to it. I'm not gonna show the cheese sauce recipe in this video because I already have a video for that, and I have the recipe on my blog, so I'll just put the link for those in the description box, so if you want to check out that recipe you can just find it there. So here, got my spaghetti squash and some spinach, and I microwaved it so it's softened a little bit, and then I'm just gonna add this cheese sauce to it. Made this with potatoes, and it's nice and thick. So, oh yeah. Oh. Then once I mix that up, it'll resemble some sort of cheesy pasta. Yeah. It looks so good. It's nice, thick and creamy. Yeah. So I'm just gonna eat this, and I'll see you at dinner. Okay, so it's only been like 2 hours since I had lunch, so I'm not super hungry, but I'm gonna make dinner anyways because I like to eat dinner, otherwise I'll be hungry all night. So I'm just gonna make a little pizza. So I've got these from Trader Joe's. They're gluten-free flatbread pizza crusts. Even if you don't eat gluten-free, these are really good. And they're perfect for like a quick meal because they bake in like 10 minutes or so. 8 minutes. So yeah, you just put the toppings on, throw it in the oven, and it's done. So and I'm gonna put some of that leftover cheese sauce that I had from my spaghetti squash mac and cheese that I had for lunch. And I've got some black beans that I made and a little bit of tomato sauce in here. This is a canned tomato sauce with no salt added, and it's just leftover, so I have it in a jar now. And I'm gonna put on some like chopped zucchini because it's kind of the only vegetable that I've got. So I'll show you how I make that and the finished product, and let's go. So I've got my pizza crust on the pan here, and I've got this silicone mat to prevent any sticking. And I'm gonna put on the tomato sauce. Next, I'm gonna throw on these beans. These are just a mix of black and pinto beans that I cooked with some salsa to make them like refried beans quickly. Works pretty well. I'm gonna try to drizzle the cheese, but it's kind of really thick, so it's kind of like a nacho pizza, I guess, which is fine with me. I like putting pretty much a bunch of random stuff on pizza. And then to make it a little prettier and add some more vegetables, put on lots of zucchini. Well, not a lot, but as much as I can fit. And that's it. I'm just gonna cook that and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, my pizza's all done and it looks delicious. I'm pretty excited to eat it, so. Okay, taste test. Woo. That's bomb. I'm gonna make that more often. So this is the last meal of the day today, and I'm just gonna sit down, enjoy this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you want more videos like this. I make a lot of recipe videos as well. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!